Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Caromix folding exercise bike, 4-in-1 stationary bike, 16-level magnetic resistance cycling bicycle, upright indoor cycling bike, for home. Workout 330 pounds capacity. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Folding exercise bike. This bike allows you to exercise in both upright and semi-reclining positions. Whether you want to burn more calories or enjoy a relaxed and comfortable riding experience. In addition, the bicycle is also equipped with an arm resistance band, which helps to exercise your upper muscles and relax your leg muscles. Friendly design. The LCD monitor can track your fitness performance while cycling, including time, speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate. You can use this data to develop your fitness plan. Place your mobile devices on the stand, and you can exercise while lying down while watching videos, providing a very comfortable fitness experience. And sturdy. The magnetic resistance keeps fitness bicycles very quiet during cycling, with 16-level gear adjustment to meet your different riding needs. The sturdy heavy-duty steel frame and X-shaped structure provide you with a stable fitness bike, with a support capacity limited to 330 pounds. To move and store. This folding exercise bike has a simple structure and is perfect for small living rooms or bedrooms. When not in use, it can be completely folded up without taking up too much space. It is also equipped with a transport wheel that can easily be moved from one room to another at your home gym. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. And press the bell, select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.